Alright, so here is our initial design sketch for our air cannon. Our initial thought was to have a 5-foot long barrel that is 2.5 inches wide, that is connected to a chamber that is 4 inches wide and 3 feet long by a sprinkler valve. And we decided to use a sprinkler valve in order to eliminate the loss of pressure as the ball valve would be spinning around. So the sprinkler valve would allow for a faster fire and for the best usage of all the air in the chamber. Alright, so this is our essential final design for our air cannon. We decided to make a few changes. For one, we decided to go with the ball valve instead of the sprinkler valve. Reason being, mainly, it was a heck of a lot cheaper than getting the sprinkler valve. And also, in order to use the sprinkler valve width was 1 inch. And to reduce it down to 1 inch and then come back up to 2.5 inches would have been a problem when it comes to firing the projectile at the time of launch. Also, another small change, not as major, is that we decided to use a 3-inch wide pipe for the chamber. And again, this was mainly a cost drive. I think, Zach, was the cost difference like $4 or $5 between the 3-inch and the 4-inch, right?
Like
$7, so dramatic difference in price. And then for our stand, we are modifying this tripod. It allows us to have easy mobility, and it allows us to change the angle of the cannon very easily as well.
Action.
All right, so here's the kind of second modification that we did, and this was more so out of sturdiness as opposed to cost. We decided to use a commercial light stand as opposed to this tripod that's clearly falling apart. This gave us sturdiness. It also gave us more height that we could use. That way, instead of having like something in the back to set an angle to, we could just set it on the ground and just raise this up to change the angle. Again, making it easier for us to launch and easier for us to adjust, while at the same time not having to hold it while firing. Yeah, all right, so question number one that we got, how well did you accomplish your objectives, and what would the team do differently with your design solution, and why?
Well, I mean, we definitely accomplished our objective of doing both distance and accuracy. We were probably the most accurate out there because of our barrel was longer than everybody else's. And yeah, we saw the same distance as basically everyone else.
Yeah, and then one thing about the accuracy of our cannon, we can attribute some of that accuracy to our projectiles. We had the longer arrow bolts on the end of our projectiles, so that gave it a little bit more accuracy as well.
I would have finalized our design a little bit more. I thought we had a good idea of what we were going to do for the cannon, but not a whole lot to go off of for the tripod or the mounting system. I felt that kind of caused us to get a little bit behind and rushed it there at the end. We got it done, and we got a substantial product out of it. But
yeah, if we could change our design solution, we definitely be on task most of the time. We still accomplished quite a bit in the last couple days that we did it, but we really didn't do anything the whole couple weeks that we had.
I feel like it would have been better if we had had a solid plan at the start too, because that kind of led to us.
Yeah, we had to change up our design a
And one thing we never really thought about is how we would put it together, how we would mount it to our tripod. So once we got to that point where we were pretty much dead in the water on what we were doing.
Yep.
All right. So our next question: how did your design solution compare to the other team's solution?
Well, I mean,
I'd say it was a heck of a lot better, personally.
our design solution was way better than everybody else's, and we just didn't commit to it.
One thing to note as well, our cannon was the only one cannon that was able to reach every single angle that was required. So our design solution was definitely better than all the other ones.
We actually read over the criteria.
Yeah, we read over the criteria. It didn't look the prettiest, but it got the job done. Did what it needed to do.
All right. So question 3: did the results fulfill the problem statement? Yeah.
Yeah.
I think we did astounding on this project. What was the best part of the project, you guys?
By far shooting it off.
Shoot them off.
I mean, well, like the best part of this project was probably Jeremy's T-Rex run, but you know, shooting it was corresponded to that.
I like building it, problem solving.
Yeah,
It's good.
yeah. I like making it sturdier and
Nice.
putting in the 6-inch nails that we had.
Yep. I'd say overall this was a very fun project to do.
Yep, very fun.
Gopi, you should get your face in the video.
Alright. There you go. I'm in the video. Alright. Awesome.